All right, I'm excited because your girl got new nightstands, and I'm gonna show you how I assembled them and what they look like. So thank you to Hernest for gifting me nightstands. Now let me show you what they look like. All right, so the nightstands came in these really big boxes and they were nicely packaged. I had saran wrap on the outside, and then the hardware pieces were assembled backwards inside of the drawers. So all I had to do to assemble this piece was to simply unscrew the hardware and then flip it around and put it right side in. And that was pretty much it. Well, I had to add the legs too. Now, one of the handles was broken, and when I reached out to them, they were so kind. They sent me chairs, and I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting a new handle, but when I went on their website, I saw that they had really good reviews as far as their customer service. So I would say that I would have to agree with that because they definitely took care of your girl. All right, so here are the legs, and there are four legs. They are a wood-based leg, which is spray painted gold. At first, I thought I didn't like it, but then once I actually put them on and saw them in the space, I was like, actually, these are perfect. So I had to flip over the nightstand and then just assemble them. Now, I had was it a hex key or was it a screw? I can't remember. But I had the drill bit for it, so it made the process go a lot faster. And this is the first nightstand which I did not flip it. I didn't open it upside down, which is what I'm recommending because yeah, putting this on sideways was a lot of work. But then the second nightstand, which is this one here, I went ahead and flipped it, opened it upside down. So all I had to do was just screw them in and then flip them. So this is what it looks like on the bottom. Like I said, pretty cool. Make sure you get help when lifting it. The front has detail, which I love. And somebody asked me, was this wallpaper? And I was like, no, but I think you could do this with wallpaper, but I think this looks better. So let's just revisit what I was working with. Okay, listen. Remember I did the DIY project? Yeah, I didn't get to the other nightstand. Okay, so if you are new here, then you may not have seen this video, but I hacked my IKEA nightstands. So the nightstands started off like this. I removed the legs and the top, added some more wood, and then just did like a bunch of crazy stuff to it. And this was the before and after. So, like I said, it was a lot of work. It was like 100 degrees here in South Florida every day that I was out there working on this piece. And I still feel like it didn't come out exactly the way I wanted it to. I mean, it was like, maybe 95%, but there was like some things that I wanted to perfect, but it was just too hot. So yeah, only one nightstand was and this was the state of my living room, y'all. A mess. I'm super happy that I am finally getting matching nightstands. All right. Make sure you read all of the warning labels because, furniture can be a danger to children. And I am just going to finish assembling the other nightstand, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. All right, the hood, the ghetto, the penthouse. And I love this lamp that I've had for a while. It's from Amazon. All right, let me show you the other colors because this nightstand actually comes in different colors. So underneath the bedroom furniture section, you can find their other nightstands. Like I said, they have, kind of a mid-century modern slash glam selection. And the style that I thought was nice was the one that I chose, or the nicest, because I'm not knocking IKEA, but IKEA nightstands are tiny. They're like child size pieces of furniture, and they work when you first move in, they work. But I felt like the size of these nightstands for the price was a great deal. And like I said, they come in different colors. They have it in green, and I just want to show you how they styled it. So French country, but I think you can play with these nightstands and kind of make the style that you want. It's all about the other supporting pieces that you add. They also have it in navy. So the navy, like I said, I wouldn't personally go for a colored piece of furniture because I know that I have to have my furniture for a while and I like to change things up. And I like to keep it simple and go for a classic white, like so. And, white flowers are my favorite hydrangeas. And then this is how they styled it with the white nightstands and the white bedding. And when I seen this, I was like, you know what? I think this will look good in my space because my walls are like a grayish color. Pussy Willow is the name of the paint color that I chose from Sherwin-Williams. Now, I did want to point out that I saw that they have a sale going on. So if you are interested, then I'm going to leave a link in the description box down below. It is an affiliate link, but it is no extra charge to you. And I also wanted to point out that they have a dresser to match those nightstands. Now, I know what you're thinking. I've said plenty of times, you shouldn't match your nightstands to your dresser. And I'm not telling you to. What I was thinking is if you have a small living room, then you could use a dresser as a TV stand and it would give you so much storage. Not to mention when it's time for you to move, oh, here it is right here. I think that's how they used it. Not to mention when it's time for you to move, you could, use it in a bedroom if you don't need it in the living room. But if I was in a very, very small apartment, like let's just say 500 square feet, I would definitely have a dresser as a TV stand for sure. This will give you ample amount of storage and your TV can go right on the top. So keep that in mind. So yeah, as you can see, this turned out pretty nice. Pretty nice. A lot of texture going on. At some point, I do want to upgrade the rug because that was the rug that I had in the living room. But I really think that this nightstand is a game changer, mainly, like I said, because it has three large drawers. And so you can store so much clothes. What do I have? Papers. I have some extra throw pillows at the bottom on my side. And then I organized his to perfection because he has a lot of clutter. I feel like people who are organized are attracted to people who are unorganized. Now, I ain't gonna point no fingers, but y'all already know who's the organized person I'm talking about. But yes, I'm gonna show you how I organize all of the drawers in both of these dressers or nightstands. So those are the nightstands, but can we talk about this beautiful art? I recently collaborated with an artist who produces fine art made just for us, and I cannot wait to tell you guys more about it. All right, as far as the coziness, I picked up this blanket from Target, which is absolutely comfy and cozy. All right, now let's talk about these drawers. So over here, I organized my husband's side of the drawers.
Oh,
Okay, let's try this again. Okay, this is my side. Okay, yes, I had to get him together first, then I got myself together. And I just want to show y'all my little trash can. Okay, if I don't get enough sleep, I turn into Oscar the Grouch. So when I saw this cute pink trash can at the Dollar Tree, I had to grab it. And I housed my sleeping mask, some melatonin drops, and my earplugs in here, and I just thought it was cute. And then I have like some extra pillowcases for throw pillows. Now, like I said, they sent me new chairs, and I was like, okay, this is awesome. So now you have to wait for the next video because I'm going to show you guys what the chairs look like, how I styled it, because as you can see, I have a wooden table, and I don't know if you're able to see the chairs, but they are very much so glam and that would definitely not work with this wooden table. So, if you're interested in the art or the nightstands, check the comment section or the description box down below. All right, see you on the next upload, and I'll show you how I style these chairs.